Managing social media posting manually is a time-consuming task that distracts from core business operations. Operators, freelancers, and founders often log in daily to copy and paste text, upload images, and hit post across different networks. This video details how to build a social media scheduler for free using Google Sheets and automation. We will look at setting up a content calendar spreadsheet, structuring post details, and scheduling automated publishing using free API tiers. You will see how to build this scheduling engine from scratch, eliminating the need for expensive monthly software subscriptions. By the end of this video, you will have a customized dashboard that schedules and publishes your social media posts automatically. We focus on practical, cost-effective methods to keep your marketing channels active without manual daily updates. Build the content database. The foundation of your free scheduler is a Google Sheet configured as a content library. Set up columns for post ID, scheduled date, scheduled time, post content, image URL, platform, and publishing status. Standardizing this layout is important because the automation will read these specific cells to build the post payload. Use drop-down menus for the platform column to specify networks like LinkedIn, X, or Facebook, and for the publishing status column, e.g., draft, scheduled, published, error. You can write your updates in advance and specify exactly when they should go live. This spreadsheet acts as your central content calendar, allowing you to see your marketing schedule at a glance, review drafted content, and verify posting dates before the automation runs. Keeping your content organized in a spreadsheet also makes it straightforward to recycle top-performing updates. By tracking publishing history directly in the sheet, you can run simple filters to find historical posts that are ready for republishing, saving time on content creation and keeping your social media feeds active with high-quality content. You should also add a column for character count limits, using spreadsheet formulas to warn you if a post exceeds the limits of specific platforms. For example, X restricts posts to 280 characters, while LinkedIn allows much longer updates. Setting up these automatic warnings inside your spreadsheet prevents publishing errors and ensures your text maps cleanly to each target network without getting cut off. Furthermore, we recommend saving your post graphics in a public cloud folder and pasting their direct download links into the image URL column. This organization ensures that the automation tool can access and download the image file during execution, preventing missing media errors on your feeds. Keeping your database structured is key to a smooth automation run. This spreadsheet layout serves as your marketing control room, giving your team a visual workspace to draft, schedule, and review updates together. Build the scheduling and posting engine. To automate the publishing process, we use a cloud automation platform with a free tier. The workflow uses a schedule trigger that runs hourly to scan your Google Sheet. It searches for rows where the scheduled date and time match the current hour, and where the publishing status is set to scheduled. When a matching row is found, the automation retrieves the post content and image URL. It routes this data to the selected social media API using pre-configured developer accounts. Once the API accepts the post, the automation updates the row in Google Sheets, changing the publishing status to published and writing the post URL to a log column. This automated system keeps your profiles active without daily manual steps. By setting up these API connections directly, you avoid the monthly costs associated with commercial scheduler tools. The automation handles the heavy lifting in the background, ensuring your content is published at the exact time you specified, while maintaining a clear log of every successful operation. You can configure the workflow to run at specific times of day that align with your audience's peak activity hours, optimizing your reach. This targeted schedule ensures your posts go live when they are most likely to gain traction, without requiring you to be online at those times. To make the engine stable, ensure the workflow is designed to process only one post at a time. If you schedule multiple posts for the same hour, the system should queue them with a brief delay between API requests. This delay prevents platform rate limits from blocking your accounts. By incorporating this rate limit management into your workflow logic, you build a reliable posting engine that runs continuously without triggering security flags on the target networks. This setup provides a robust alternative to expensive marketing software. This scheduling engine runs quietly in the background, executing your social media campaigns and logging the results in your spreadsheet calendar automatically. Maintain and optimize your free scheduler. To ensure your social media posting engine remains reliable, implement basic logging and checks. Let us look at a maintenance checklist. Check post character limits for each platform, verify that image links are publicly accessible, and review the automation history for failed runs. If a post fails due to an API error, the status column should change to error and trigger an email notification so you can publish it manually. Using this free setup helps you maintain a consistent social media presence without paying for extra tools. You now have a custom scheduling engine that manages your content calendar and publishes your updates automatically. As your content strategy develops, you can append more advanced steps, such as tracking engagement metrics like clicks and views directly within the sheet. By combining your scheduler with basic analytical tools, you build a feedback loop that helps you optimize your content mix based on actual performance, all within a free and simple spreadsheet interface. You should also check your platform developer credentials every 6 months, as API tokens can expire and require reauthorization. By keeping your connections updated and checking your logs regularly, you prevent publishing failures. This structured approach lets you run your marketing channels with minimal manual overhead, letting you focus on client relations and business operations. Make sure to test new platforms with placeholder posts before queuing important marketing announcements. This precaution ensures that formatting, image sizing, and link previews display correctly on the active feed. You can also build an archiving system that moves published posts to a history tab at the end of each quarter, keeping your main content calendar spreadsheet lightweight and fast to load. By adopting these standard operational habits, you create a marketing automation system that scales with your content production without increasing your software expenses. Workday Automation Lab shows you how to automate repetitive work using no-code tools, spreadsheets, AI assistants, and simple systems. Every video turns a messy business process into a clean workflow you can understand, copy, and improve. Built for operators, freelancers, founders, and anyone tired of doing the same task twice. This video is general productivity and technology education, not a guarantee of business efficiency, revenue, or software performance. API rates and software limits vary.